Lose belly fat in 7 days challenge. Do this for just 7 days. And you might not even recognize your belly in the mirror. Sounds wild? Wait till day 3. That's when most people message me saying, I can actually see it shrinking. You've tried crunches, cutting calories, even fat-melting drinks. And still, that lower belly won't budge. But here's the truth. You don't need a gym. You don't need equipment. All you need is your body, a few minutes, and 1 week of commitment. This is your Lose Belly Fat in 7 Days challenge. From Holistic Wellness. 8 movements. No excuses. Real change. And if you stay till the end, I'll share the one recovery habit that makes your results show faster. And almost nobody does it. So hit subscribe, save this video, and let's do this every single day for the next 7 days. Did you know your body stores belly fat when it thinks you are in danger? Stress, late night snacks, poor sleep, all tell your body to hold fat. But when you move the right way, you flip that switch off. That's what these 8 moves are designed to do. 1. Jumping jacks, 45 seconds. This is your wake-up call. Arms up, arms down. Keep it smooth and steady. You're firing every muscle and waking up your metabolism. 2 mountain climbers, 45 seconds, plank position. Drive your knees in fast. You're hitting your abs, shoulders, and legs all at once. Feel that burn? That's your core switching on. 3 plank hold, 45 seconds. Hold steady. Squeeze your abs tight. This builds deep core strength, the real foundation of a flat stomach. Feeling the burn already? Good. That's your body changing. 4 flutter kicks, 45 seconds. Lean back slightly, legs out, small kicks. The lower belly, the toughest spot, is getting its turn now. Keep breathing through the burn. 5 high knees, 45 seconds. Get up and push those knees high. This move torches fat fast and keeps your heart rate soaring. 6 Russian twists, 45 seconds. Sit tall and twist side to side. Lift your heels for a challenge and feel your obliques firing. 7 leg tuck-ins, 45 seconds. In and out, slow and controlled. You're tightening the lower abs with every pull. 8 bicycle crunches, 45 seconds. Flat on your back, elbow to knee. Go smooth, not fast. Control builds strength, speed doesn't. Halfway through? Don't stop now. If your abs are burning, that's your transformation happening. Comment day 1 done below if you're with me. Remember, belly fat doesn't vanish overnight, but in 7 days, you can train your body to burn it 24/7. By day 5, your core feels tighter even when you're not working out. When that voice says, stop, remind yourself, this burn is temporary, but the results are real. Bonus tip, recovery habit. Before bed, lie flat and take 10 deep belly breaths. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. This lowers cortisol and keeps your body in fat-burning mode while you sleep. By the end of this week, your energy will rise, your clothes will fit better, and your confidence sky high. But don't stop here. The next step, burning visceral fat, is where long-term change happens. Watch next, the fastest way to make your body kill visceral fat. Your 7-day transformation starts today. Stay consistent, stay strong. See you tomorrow for day 2 of your 7-day belly fat challenge.